Today on The Lazy Chef, we are going to use the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza cooker to cook frozen egg rolls and pot stickers. Yes, you can stick these in the microwave, but then they'll come out rubbery and this is Lazy Chef we're talking. Put them on the pizza maker, turn it on, bam, there you go. All right, what do you think? Did you know you can make other things on your pizza maker instead of just pizza? Oh yeah, Lazy Chef does. Thanks for watching.
Beanmeister 22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.